It's incredible to be back after 3 very long years away, to be back in Clerkenwell in the KI house, full of inspiration. It's great to be back doing the face-to-face thing.
Innovative with the colonnade system, where you can create spaces within a space without interfering with the actual fixture fitting of the building.
Modular and exciting in a way that you can rearrange stuff. Lots of really nice people, very friendly. So yeah, I like it a lot.
Furniture has the ability to sort of transform a space with very little effort.
Having furniture that's designed where it's easier for people to speak to one another, helping people communicate their ideas and share with one another.
Recreate spaces for people to meet on a more informal basis. Places that people could come and just touch down rather than have a permanent desk space. Colonnade's a great system for being able to create spaces that can be easily changed in their function.